In an industry where sustainability and high performance take center stage, we face a unique challenge. Traditional waxes can fall short, compromising eco-friendliness and product quality. The answer? Transforming rice bran wax, a byproduct, to Licocare RBW VITA. Elevate your care and consumer products with Licocare RBW VITA by improving gloss, surface protection, and more. In agricultural coatings, these bio-based solutions are ideal for seed and fertilizer coatings as it improves flowability, anti-caking, and controlled release properties. Switch to Licocare RBW VITA by Clariant, your ideal, high-performance, and renewable choice for coatings with a remarkable renewable carbon index, surpassing 98%. What turns a simple byproduct of nature into a gift for the coatings industry? Licocare RBW VITA by Clariant. This is greater chemistry.